If you've ever heard that nasty whining sound coming from your rear end, you know your diff is begging for help. Running the wrong gear oil can lead to overheating, extra wear, and even costly repairs. The right 75w90 Differential oil keeps things smooth, quiet, and protected, whether you're towing, off-roading, or just daily driving. Today, we're checking out 3 solid options Jeep and truck owners swear by. And remember, all the product links are in the video description below. Let's kick it off with Lucas Oil 75w90. This synthetic gear oil is built for heavy-duty and high-performance setups where standard oils just don't cut it. It's non-foaming, cushions gears under extreme pressure, and keeps lubricity even when things heat up. Drivers love it for its long-lasting slick protection and the brand's racing pedigree. Lucas isn't just a name, it's track-tested and street-approved. Plus, it's affordable and works well with limited slip differentials. Next up, Royal Purple 75w90. This one's a powerhouse for people who want smoother, quieter gear action and better gas mileage. Thanks to Royal Purple's Cinerlec additive tech, it maximizes horsepower while extending gear and bearing life. Reviews highlight how it holds up under towing and heavy loads, while also cutting down heat and friction. It's safe for limited slip differentials, resists corrosion, and even separates quickly from water, which is a big plus for off-road rigs and marine use. And finally, Valvoline FlexFill 75w90. This one stands out with its pouch packaging. Seriously, you can fill up 2 times faster and with way less hassle than messing with bottles. The full synthetic formula gives 30% better protection for towing and 1.5 times better gear wear resistance. It handles temps from -50 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So whether you're in the snow or hauling in summer heat, you're covered. Reviewers love the reduced chatter, rust protection, and overall durability. So here's the bottom line. Lucas Oil brings tough-as-nails racing tech to everyday driving. Royal Purple gives you smooth performance with fuel savings, and Valvoline FlexFill makes maintenance a breeze while keeping your rig battle ready. No matter what you pick, your gears will thank you. Don't forget, all the links to these products are down in the description. And if you dig this kind of breakdown, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more gear tips and reviews coming your way.